Hello friends, this is me Laneha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing 16brand 16 Mochi Pact in shade Peach Light. It claims that multi-use pact can be used on cheeks, eyelids, T-zone, collarbones or just about anywhere on body to add subtle highlight and shimmer. The sweat and waterproof formula is flecked with pink and gold pigments to enhance skin radiance. The soft mochi texture leaves a velvety finish. It even protects skin with SPF 30 PA++. The compact is quite small and made of plastic. It is easy to carry around. All the information is mentioned on its bottom. It comes with a sponge and mirror too. If you look closely, this highlighter has warm iridescence shift. It also comes with a plastic lid separating the highlighter and sponge. The sponge itself is very soft and fluffy but still firm as well. This product has mochi-like or putty texture which is so soft to touch. It doesn't have overpowering cosmetic fragrance, thank God. It is very squishy with velvety texture but still powdery. It gives a subtle glow with peachy or pinky highlight. It can be applied with brush, sponge or fingertips, but I prefer dabbing the finger onto my skin so I have control over the application. Even if I apply it a lot, the highlight remains subtle because it's for adding glow on skin. I will be applying it on my eyes now. One thing that I learned about this product is that rubbing the product on skin will move the foundation, so I will just dab it where I want the glow. It's not like an eyeshadow that has color in it. Instead, Peach Light has only shimmer particles in it, due to which we don't see any color on skin. So adding it under the eyes was kind of a flop. Now I'm adding the highlighter on my cheeks. It does give a very beautiful glow to skin. The shimmer particles gleam wherever the light hits, from pinks to golds or purples in color. Therefore, it depends on the shimmer to create dimension. It doesn't have any chunky glitter particles in it. For the waterproof and sweatproof part, I must say that it is actually waterproof, but the shimmer or glitter particles move on your skin if you touch it. Nothing that looks weird though. The glow is simply alluring. It gives skin a peach pink glow. In regular lighting, it looks enchanting, while in lots of lighting or under the sun, it gives your skin radiance. I will rate it 4 by 5. I will recommend it for all skin colors as it doesn't have any base color. The pros and cons have already been on your screens. Please do like, comment and subscribe. This is me Laneha Junsu signing off. Bye.